The inspiration for the living units came from a question: does a home need to be permanent or large? So we created this small interior that can also aggregate in larger units, depends on the site, depends on the needs, and also using wooden envelope that is sustainable, that actually keeps the temperature inside cold in summer and warm in winter.
The design of the living units and other prototypes was driven by requirements to be modular to enable reconfigurability and customization, freestanding to minimize foundations, and prefabricated off-site to increase speed of installation on-site and reduce costs. The structural design is profoundly linked to the environmental aspects as well. So harsh weather conditions with high winds and snow sculpted the alpine scutta, whilst the cantilevers on the living units are providing shading to the internal spaces. La Casa del Desierto instead featured the use of structural grass supporting the roof, which also provided a thermal barrier for high excursions of temperature in the Spanish desert. There are several peculiar structural solutions adopted here. Well, starting from the top, every module weighs 1.85 tons, and it's basically stacking 6 smart cars on top of each other. Our strategy was to touch the earth lightly, reducing the weight as much as possible. For this, we use timber, which works pretty well both structurally and environmentally. Every module is designed to be reconfigured in vertical stacks or horizontally, creating different usable spaces. In this configuration, we could stack up 4 modules without changing the foundation design. We have brought the living unit to the White Collar Factory, as it is AKT2 home, and is also the center of design in London. We wanted to bring the living unit here to spark a debate on micro-living and to provoke a discussion.
We wanted to prove that a home does not need to be large. It can be a very small unit, adaptable on a very different location inside a very condensed city center. So you can place it in a roof, you can place it in a courtyard.
By bringing the units to London, we are connecting our research into complex geometrical systems, structural optimization and prefabrication. The prototypes are examples of our extensive experience in timber construction and envelope design. The unit is a product of European skills with Slovenian architecture, British structural design and Italian interiors. In our office, we are wondering how easy a collaboration like this would be once Britain leaves the European Union. We are living in a sharing society where cars, skills and spaces are divided between multiple users, so models like car sharing and office space sharing are already proven to be successful. But what about housing?